Hello guys, today I am going to show how to fix the crackling sound in the speaker. If you have a Bluetooth speaker or any other speaker which sounds like this, this is how to fix it. So let's get started. First open the speaker. If you are going to open any speaker, do look how to open it on YouTube or Google, as all speakers are opened differently. Also, if your speaker or Bluetooth speaker is an expensive one, I strongly suggest you to give it to a professional repairman. As you can see, there is a tear on the speaker. All you need to do is to patch up the tear. Do not apply too much pressure on it. After fixing, check the sound from before and after.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
As you can see, that has been fixed. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.